Well, this is a nature box. We just got it in the mail. We went through the subscription, and we just got it in yesterday, actually. So we're gonna try them. Hey, Pipe. We're gonna try them and let you guys know how they are, and if we think it's worth the subscription or not.
You ready?
Read her off.
Chipotle maple almonds.
Sounds delicious.
Do you want to try it first?
Yeah. Piper wants to try too.
No, don't give her any.
Don't ya? Don't ya?
Okay. Here. No, not all of them. I want some.
Wow, dang.
Ready?
Alright, on 3.
1, 2, 3.
We can't have any.
Ooh.
Got a little spice to them. It's like weird. It's spicy but sweet at the same time.
It says it's spicy maple flavored almonds. You want to try some more? It's good.
They're pretty good.
Do you want to try another one?
Yeah, let's try a different one.
Oh, you don't want any more of this?
No, I'm going to, but let's try more.
Would you recommend that one?
Yes, definitely. If you like, it's not overly spicy, but it's just got just enough to where,
I wouldn't even call it spicy.
yeah, but it's got just enough to where it's like, at least for me, it's just right. I would definitely recommend the Chipotle maple almonds.
Okay. Honey Crunch Crisps.
Sounds delicious.
Is that even on there?
Yeah. She still wants some. Just give me some. Just give me some.
Ooh. These are like.
Did you try them without me?
No.
Ooh, dang.
It's a honey coated sesame chip.
Mm.
They're
Yes.
really good.
Yes. That was really good.
How would you describe it?
Yeah. I don't know. It tastes like something I've had before.
Yeah, it's like when you first put it in your mouth. What does it taste like?
Mm.
When you first put it in your mouth, you taste the honey, and then when you bite into it, you taste sesame.
Yeah. It's probably hinting the name.
It kind of tastes like Chinese.
Kinda, actually, yeah. Like in
the
a weird
rice
way. Yeah.
or the chicken.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's another good one, though.
There's a ton of different kinds. You can pick them, or you can like pick them at random. This is one I opened already.
Oh, you already opened it. She was supposed to wait for me, but...
Here, you try them. You gotta eat a couple of these because it's like.
What?
You gotta eat a couple of these. They're the smoky barbecue peas. You can just see you in the back chewing.
Sorry. I feel like it's gonna be a weird one, but I don't know.
No,
Could
it's
be
actually
wrong.
like you gotta eat more than one at first, and then like you gotta keep eating them, and then you get
They look
used to the
super
flavor.
weird, like gross.
No, you gotta think they're like dried peas.
Look at that.
They're like crunchy peas. I think they're good.
They're alright. I feel like they're bland.
Well, I mean, that's what I'm saying. You gotta like eat more of them. Like,
Yeah.
but for a snack, like if you're laying there watching a movie,
Yeah.
and like you don't have popcorn.
They're very crunchy. I do like that. But there's not a lot of flavor.
Well, you can put down on the website if you like crunchy or soft things, which I said crunchy. That's why we
Yeah.
got like mostly crunchy. But yeah.
I would give that like a... not that special.
I like them. And then we got two more. Which is here.
roasted kettle corn kernels. Can't talk.
Come here.
So I bet
No, those sound
I
really
like
good.
these. Yeah. You first.
Which this one I didn't pick out. They I put one at random, and then this is the one they gave me.
The randomness hooked us up.
Can you move her?
Oh. Yeah, sure.
This is really good. This is my favorite.
Very good. Very, very good.
Honey coated toasted corn.
Yeah.
That's really good. It tastes
Very,
like
very good. Like,
a
what
corn
is that
chip.
cereal? Is it Pops, maybe? Okay, maybe I'm going insane. I don't know. But,
I don't know. It tastes like tortilla chips, but honey. It does.
yeah. Whatever it is, I like it. One more time.
Okay.
Piper's like itching at the bit to get some of this.
Itching at the bit?
Yeah, well, you act like that's a weird thing to say.
I mean, you're not 80, so
Whatever.
kind of weird.
Whole wheat apple pie figgy bars. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like these because
I don't really like stuff like that. I don't like apple stuff like that.
Yeah.
But I figured you could eat them for like lunch or
Ha! Ha!
just let me try yours because I doubt I will like it. I just don't like stuff like
Yes.
that. Do you like them?
Mm-hmm. You?
Oh, it's too sweet for me. It's not bad.
Just like a fig Newton bar.
I've never had a fig nut bar.
They're exactly the same.
But healthy? Are those healthy?
Yeah, heck yeah.
No, fig Newton bars, not those.
Oh, fig Newton bars? I mean, I don't think they're that healthy for you. I'm pretty sure they're not, actually.
That's the
A
thing
serving
about...
size is like 2 of them. How many serving sizes are there?
I don't know. One bar.
Serving size. Oh. You even listen to that anyway.
Yeah, but these are like...
Excuse me. But these are my favorite.
Should we...
By far.
Okay, what's your favorite? My favorite are the roasted kettle kernels. And what's your second?
The second is the Honey Crunch Crisps. Second
Those are
favorite.
good. Well, I like the almonds, the Chipotle maple almonds. What's your next? I feel like this is confusing.
Yeah, it's probably very confusing. Just know, since I'm a little fatty and I like my sweets, this is my favorite, and then these are my second favorite. So.
They're all really good.
Yeah, I would definitely eat all of them.
They use all natural like products. They don't use like food coloring or food dye or anything like that. Ooh, these are spicy.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. They got a little kick to them, but not a bad kick.
If you don't like spicy, I wouldn't recommend them.
No.
But
If you like spicy, though, I think it'd be very good. How many come in here?
don't eat them all.
It only comes with 5?
Okay, but they have different serving sizes. Like
What the heck is this?
this is 4.3.
I was
This
gonna
is
eat another one.
5.5. Some of them are full. Well, this one isn't. Some of them are full to the top, and some of them aren't so much.
And some only come with 5.
No, that's
That's not bad. I mean, you shouldn't be like me, and you shouldn't eat them one after the other.
yeah.
YOLO.
So yeah.
So that is our spiel on the nature box. That's our spiel on the nature box.
I'm gonna
So we plan on keeping our.
I'm checking to see. I'm checking to see if there was food in my teeth. Okay.
Oh! I spilled it. Piper gets some after all. Oh, it feels good. Oh my god.
That's my life. It can't just be me and Jeremy ever. Piper has to be in everything.
She is a part of this family. She deserves it. But we plan on keeping our subscription, and we're gonna get more. Really? So we plan on keeping our subscription, and we plan on getting like different packages and whatever they have, and we're gonna keep updating our vlogs and letting you know which ones we try and which ones we like and which ones we don't.
You can't eat all of those.
I'm not.
One sitting,
I'm not.
Jeremy. That's for a month. You have to keep these for a month
Why?
because the next subscription is not for a month.
Well, there's no way people could keep these for a month. They're so good.
He's not even getting paid. We will put the website link below. We don't have a coupon code or anything like that, but I can email you a link to where you guys can get $10 off your first box. You guys can message me on however you can get a hold of me.
We're gonna work on getting you a coupon code, and so that way you can plug it in and then get a discount on your order.
And now we're going to Target.
Come here. Get in this. Come here. Come here. Come. Come.
She's like, dang, you're always so grumpy, Mom. Okay.
So yeah, thanks for watching. Those are very good. I like them a lot.
Do you like them? And they're like healthy.
Yeah.
So like, it's better than buying like a bag of chips.
Heck yeah.
You know what I mean?
Heck yeah.
I need another one of those.
Yeah.
Babe,
You don't even like them.
babe, please.
You don't even like
You
them.
gotta save them. You're
Okay,
gonna hurt
okay,
my feelings.
okay. Can this be my last one this whole weekend?
No.
Last one the whole
You
weekend.
gotta save them.
I am hungry.
Well, we're about to go out.
Fine, then I get a monster at the gas station.
Do I get Arby's?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Because that actually does sound really good.
Good day.